Welcome to another video. This is AW. Today I'm gonna make some new content. I'm gonna create one playlist. This video will be the first. The purpose of this video is show you that there is no meaning of one trade. So it means you should not analyze the trader by one trade. And it doesn't matter if the one trade will be successful or not unsuccessful. Everything we should watch on the long term. So basically I never saw such kind of content on the YouTube, so I decided to do such kind of thing. I think this will be much more useful than give you some signals or something like that, that you will understand that there is kind of some period of the time, and in this period of time you are earning the money, and it's not just a one single trade. So before beginning, I want to say that in trading I'm using the complex approach, and minimum 4 or 5 conditions should to match before I enter in trade. And none of the single oscillator or indicator works in solo. So today, as this is like kind of part 1, I'm going to review the whole market. I'm going to start from the beginning, what I see on the markets, and after, in the next videos, I mean tomorrow, I will break down like level by levels, each more like kind of in the more lower time frame. So basically, let's go. First of all, let's take a FIBA, right? Not FIBA, by waves. This is bear market. What can we see? This is kind of a bear market is correction. All the corrections is ABC correction. So ABC or ABCDE. So we clearly can see that here is like a kind of A, B, and C. C level have its own level. So okay, if we, I'm not gonna break down all these waves, but right now we are in a C wave for my kind of analysis. So basically, wave C has its own level, right, by Fibonacci. Let's take a FIBA. I'm using the waves plus Fibonacci plus volumes. These three combinations makes me, it's let me to look at the market, right? Not predict the market. So basically, let's take a FIBA, beginning of the wave A, end of the wave A, and end of the wave B. The key levels for the wave C is 1.2. This is the levels for wave C. So if we can see that wave C didn't hit its own levels, this is minimum. I mean, I want to say one more time that by Fibonacci, wave C, C's levels, minimum levels is 1.2, and after 1.6 and higher and until the like there's no ending, because wave C is impulsive wave. So it doesn't matter. Later I'll talk about this more in detail. So basically, the key levels for now is 1.2. After we hit that level, I can say that we kind of possibly finish the wave C, but right now I can clearly see that we didn't hit that 1 and 1.2. So basically, let's review the wave C. Wave C has 5 impulsive waves. It's never correctional. It's correctional. It's impulsive wave. So basically, in the wave C is always 5 impulsive waves. So if we take this tool, we take 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Because the most high volumes, right? The wave 3 confirms with the most high volumes. That's the confirmation for the wave 3, because this is an impulsive wave. So basically, this is the wave 3 here because of the wave, and this is correctional wave C. What does it mean correctional wave C? In wave C, I mean, this is correctional wave 4, yeah. The confirmation for wave 4 is kind of divergence between price and the volume. So we clearly can see that the volumes are decreasing, right? Volumes are decreasing and price is rising, right? This is unharmonious way of the market. So basically, it's confirmation that this is kind of wave C. Wave 4. One of the confirmation. So if we take the Fibonacci one more time, okay, let's clean up this wave C, right? Let's clean up this wave C, and let's break down more kind of deep what is going on. Let's check the levels for wave 4, right? First of all, we take this tool. This is Fibonacci, right? Now we're gonna zoom the kind of wave 4. So beginning of the wave 2, the beginning of the wave 3 over here, end of the wave 3, and the levels for wave 4 is 0.3, 0.5, 0.6. Let's mark that level for now. Let's go. So that's most likely where the prices goes. This is 0.3, 0.5, 0.6, and very, very seldom it hits 0.7. It's possible, yes, of course it's possible. So I mean, we should mark that zone over here, like this even. That will be more right. Everything what is the more higher than 0.7, this is kind of is not wave 4 already. So basically, if we break that level with the volumes, right, it means this is not kind of wave 4, and this scenario was the wrong, and maybe we are in the beginning of the new bull market, right? So what actions did I did? Okay, let's dive inside more. So basically, this red zone which one we mark it, right, this is zone of high tension. What does it mean? This means that we had some kind of impulse, right? And from that level, we can see anytime it's possible some reversal scenario, anytime. Because we are in the zone of high tension, and this is kind of, if this is wave 4, here we can see some kind of reaction. So basically, did we see? Yes, we saw. Look at that. So let's break down wave 4 right now, okay? Wave 4 begins from here, right? This is the beginning, 1, 2, 3, from here. So wave 4 have what? Two kind of wave 4. It's right correction or wrong correction. Wrong correction is A, B, C, right? And wrong correction is A, B, C, D, E, triangles, bull flags or bear flags or whatever, the cups and whatever patterns we see. This is kind of wrong correction. So basically right now we clearly can see, and I match that very clearly, right? We will break down here. Wave A is impulsive wave. So this is wave A, this is correctional wave B, and this is wave C, right? So basically, if we break down wave A, inside have a five impulsive waves. And how we will break down, look, this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 didn't hit its own levels. 5 should be more higher, but it's very often happening that wave 5 is trunked wave. So basically here we saw that kind of example of a trunked wave. Next, what can we see next? This is wave B. Wave B have ABC correction or ABCDE correction. Again, we can see clearly this is A, B, and this is C. If we're gonna, I'm not gonna show you by Fibonacci because there's no meaning. If you are interested about Fibonacci, you can check it by yourself. You can learn my system, my levels, and etc. So basically, we hit exactly by Fiba. This is 1.6 by Fibonacci. Wave C here. This is A, B, C, right? And we saw some massive kind of impulse. So basically right now begins the most kind of tricky thing is happening right now. So basically let's take a look for wave C. Let's take a Fibonacci, beginning of the wave A, end of the wave A, and end of the wave B. That's it. So let's take the tool and mark it. This is minimum of the wave C. As I said before, 1.2, and often happening is 1.6, right? 1.6 and higher. So wave C basically doesn't have any kind of ending. It's impulsive wave as a wave 3, and it can be 5.6, 6.6, 7.6, 8.6, and etc, etc, etc. So right now for our scenario, if we will see kind of wave C, we hit that minimum. I mean minimum of wave C. This is 1.2. And what we saw, this kind of, let's mark it like this, right? And let's change the color that you more clearly can see. Yep, like that. Or let's do this one, kind of gray. And this one will be red. No, red. Okay, sorry guys, let's go. And I will move it here because why? Because this is strong resistance. Once again, I'm repeating. So basically, yeah, this is the levels for wave C, 1.2. We hit that level. Yes, we hit that level. We hit it twice even, right? So I kind of believe that this is double top. Okay, but okay, later we will break down that scenario. So basically, one more thing, the confirmation of wave C was that we hit 1.2. Second confirmation that we are in the zone of high tension of massive global wave 4, right? This is the zone of high tension. One more zone of high tension is that we hit that resistance. This resistance match with wave C, right? And we saw some kind of reaction, right? So, okay, now let's break down where we are. We are in the wave C. Let's deep dive inside of wave C, and let's see what's going on. Once again, I'm repeating, as I said before, wave C is impulsive wave. It means inside must be 5 impulsive waves, not 3. And we try to find out the 5 impulsive waves. I'll show you how I see. Here's getting tricky. Here is the wave 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, wait, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. This is how I see the waves. Because, as I said, let's clean up a little bit because maybe we cannot see anything here. So, about the correctional waves, everyone understood, right? This is the global kind of zone of high tension, and this is local wave or wave C. So basically, I will clean both of that, and we will deep dive inside of the wave C and break down what is going on. And exactly here begins some kind of interesting things and why I short the market, and all of the answers you will see, you will understand right now more and more clearly. Just give me some time. So basically, yeah, confirmation for wave 3 is the splash of volumes, right? The most high volumes. So here I can say that if we take the wave 3 here, 4 here, and 5 here, it's possible. I don't like this scenario because the wave 4 didn't hit its own levels. The beginning of the wave, the minimums, the wave 4 is 0.3, 0.5, 0.6. So basically the minimum is 0.3. We didn't hit here. So basically I can say that this is the kind of wave 3 here. And here I can say that this is wave 4. Why? Because if we take the Fibonacci right now, right, and take where is that? So let's check. So beginning of the wave 2, beginning of the wave 3, end of the wave 3, right? If it's here. So beginning of the, yeah, like that. But we don't know actually exactly where is this. The beginning of the wave 3. It's a little bit complicated, but still, okay. Let's say here. It's over here. So yeah, did we hit the 0.3? Yes, we did hit the 0.3. Inside of this, we can see A, B, C, clear correction, A, B, C. So basically, it is possible that that was the 4th wave. Right now, on what I have right now on the market, right now, the price actions, what shows me that this was kind of wave 4. And this is possibly was the wave 5. And why? Because as I mentioned that it's very often on a Bitcoin happens that the wave 5 trunked. Again, I'm repeating, right? So basically, if we break this scenario inside of that, I clearly can, I can feel it that this is wave 5, right? We can see the splash of volumes, first of all, right? And massive down. Someone washed out this thing. Someone is selling. So basically, wave 5 is like kind of lost money. Oh, my neighbors, okay, doesn't matter. So it's kind of lost money of whole impulse, right? And it's really often happening that it's trunked. So because of that scenario, this is very, very possible that this is wave 5. So what actions did I do? First of all, when we hit that levels over here, I shorted the market. I short the market for global 5th wave. Let me take this arrow over here, right? So basically, by global scenario, this is end of the wave 4, right? This the zone of high tension, and after wave 4, we expecting the downtrend of the wave 5, right? So I shorted the market on the resistance, right? All the conditions, all the kind of candle analysis and everything show me that I should the short, and I short the market, and we saw such kind of price action, right? What can we see right now? Right now, it is possible that this was the wave 4 here, over here, and we are in the beginning of the wave 5. It's possible. Yes, it's possible. Is it possible that this was the wave 4 and this was wave 5 trunk? Possible? Yes, it's possible. So what to do? How to trade? That's the main question, right? How are we gonna trade if we have so many scenarios? Follow by trend and do not take risks. What does it mean? Okay, look at that. For example, the beginning of this video, I say that I'm kind of following. I will create the playlist, and there will be kind of many videos, and with the end of results. And exactly right now is really good time to show you what do I mean. So first of all, if this scenario was such kind of, it means we are in the beginning of the fifth wave, right? The beginning of the downtrend, massive downtrend over here, right? So basically we cannot see anymore any kind of double top or something like this. We cannot see such kind of picture, like, or such kind of picture or something like that, or like this picture. We cannot see. We can just move down. Right now we hit some level, hit, and let's go downtrend. That's all. It is possible. Yeah, it's very possible, and this is actually what I believe more, right? But we see some clear resistance, right? Clear support, and after that clear support we have some bounce, right? So basically people, what they saw, oh, right now that was like kind of a correction, and right now this support will help us to break those levels. I mean, sorry, but I cannot take such kind of risks, right? I mean, I cannot just ignore this kind of what happened over here, what happened over here. I cannot ignore that situations, right? So that's why I decide such kind of thing. First, I open my short position. I start the short position from each resistance. So each resistance for me kind of opportunity to short the market until what? So for example, I short the market. First short was over here. My stop losses was over here, right? So if we will go higher right now, we will hit that level, right? So what will happen? I will be liquidated not with my whole kind of money, right? I do the risk management here. I'm turning on my good risk management, and I take some risks, right? So basically I trade with 5% of my deposit money, right? So basically if we hit that level, I will lost 5%. What I'm gonna do one more, if someone can guess over here, as we will break this level, I will open one more short position and put my stop losses over here, right? So okay, I will lose one more 5% over here, right? This is what can happen. So basically if we break that level and we go higher, right, I will liquidate it here, and what I'm gonna do here, I will open one more short position and put stop losses over here. So there is one more 5%. So basically I take the risks for not for my whole. If I'm wrong, I will lose just 15% of my deposit. And if I'm wrong over here and we break this level and we hold over here, it means we turn bullish, right? So I will turn bullish and take the longs, right? Yes, I was wrong about this scenario, but with the good risk management, I didn't lose a lot of money, right? I just lost the 15% of my deposit. That's all. So what happens in case if I'm right? Because we don't know. I don't know, and no one in this world knows where it's gonna be kind of support and where it's gonna be resistance, right? So will we bounce from? Let me clean this real quick. Yeah, will we bounce from this level right now, or this level right now, or this level? No one knows about that, right? So what can we do? We just can do good risk management and trade by levels by levels. So by waves right now, if this is global fifth wave, we cannot break down. If we take any kind of waves, you cannot like say this is 3, 4, or 5, because I mean this is kind of a little bit global picture, right? To see by waves the global fifth wave, I mean we should to at least have wave 1, 2, and some kind of 3, right, to realize where we are, right? So right now the waves, it doesn't work at all. It will be some kind of crazy movements over here, and end of the picture we can see that yes, the waves was like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So that's the main case. So what did I do? I short the market. I put stop loss over here. I'm expecting the price will move over here right now. Yes, I'm expecting. So basically I'm not gonna open any kind of longs. Why? Because of this kind of uncertain situation, we need to trade carefully. I know that all the kind of corrections right now will be deeper than in usual impulses. So basically, yeah, we should to take risks right now and trade carefully, right? So that's the kind of the main video today. In my Telegram club, I gave this signal, right? I enter in over here, and my stop loss is over that level, right? So basically, I can be liquidated right now, and I can be liquidated one more time, and third time. But if I am right, and if I catch that level, and we get reversal from that level, I will return. I will return my money first of all, right? This liquidated money. For example, if we get liquidated here, and I open one more short position, right, and my stop loss is over here, for example, right, and reversal happened here. So basically, I lost money, right, and all money came back to me over here. If I catch the kind of that resistance level, we will go back and I will return my money. If I will see the confirmation of the volumes that, yeah, we are kind of, was like a kind of all other conditions matched, I will keep it and I will go to in a profit. So that's why it takes some time. I mean, you can be wrong many times, but once you got right, you get all your money back, and plus you get your profit. This is the real trading, people. I want to, you guys, everyone who is listening to this video, I want to you understand it really clear, that this is the game of probability. No one knows the future. No one knows which level gonna be reversal or etc. This is just a probability. Maybe it's possible or it's not possible. That's all. That's what we trade, right? So because of that, you should to have some kind of system, which levels you kind of shorting, which levels you are kind of longing, right? So because I don't know the I mean future, that's the reason why I trade like this, and I'm sure that all of the professional traders right now are doing the same, because no one knows what's gonna happen in the future. No one knows which level gonna be reversal. We know that we hit the kind of support, a resistance level. We hit from that level. Right now we again on the support level, and we can expect that we can expect. That's the key word here. We can expect that we will see some kind of double top over here. Expect that we can see some kind of double top, but it doesn't mean it will happen, right? It can be double top here, here, or here. And how to trade if you're not gonna make any risks, right? It's impossible. So that's why it's important to take a risk and not be scared. And right now, yes, I opened the positions and it's kind of showing me a lot of reds, right? But I don't care. I don't care about one specific trade. I care about the global scenario. So that's the key of this video. This is the key of this playlist, that you guys make sure, and I'm sure that I mean somewhere I will be right. And end of this kind of playlist, you will I mean, you will understand that there is no matter of one trade. The most important how you trade on the distance, and your job is to make profit in long distance and make the money consistently. That's your job as a trader, as a professional trader, as a kind of stable trader. So one trade, we don't care about one trade, we care about long term. So basically that's there where is kind of trading psychology is really useful, because right now the people who is opening the shorts, they feel like kind of, oh my god, it's so wrong, I'm losing money, or blah 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 blah. But do the good risk management, you will be very calm. That's stuff. If you worry about that you're losing some money or something like that, it means you did bad risk management, and you should review your risk management, that you trade really calm. So the 5% for me is actually really aggressive kind of trading, but this is for me is fine. I feel I will sleep very well after I open and get liquidated even 4 and 5 times. So basically this is for me fine. I can get liquidated several times, and again I will come to the computer next day and I will do the same good decision and without any kind of emotions. So that's our goal as a traders. I hope this video will get useful for you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow, and next days I'm gonna review more kind of in this lower time frames, and I'm gonna follow this trade, this trade, and all of these kind of movements. If we will go higher, I'll be with you guys and keep you updated what is going on, where I changed my mind, where I didn't change my mind, etc. So in the end, I want to show you the result. This is kind of experiment, guys, for beginners, for kind of the people who is on the market long time, and and etc, etc. So I didn't see such kind of content, so that's why I decided to record this video. Thank you so much for the watching. Subscribe to the channel to do not miss the next videos. Tomorrow every day I'm posting, not only tomorrow, every day I'm posting the new videos. Like this video, comment that under this video, and you can join my Telegram club. Here I'm giving all the signals, all this for free. I don't charge anything from you guys. You are welcome to here, and of course you can follow me on the subscribe me to the channel, and we continue trade together. So thank you so much, guys, and to the next.